Okay, peoples of the YouTube. Oh, geez, I look like some... Who's that guy on the Frosty the Snowman? Klondike Jim or... Whatever. Anyways. So what we have here, the Jeep is hooked to Winston the wagon because I got to take Bart the cart off. And so I have to hook it to something. This is where this lives, and I'm gonna move it out, suck it in, put the jacks down, and move it over there. I broke my camera stand, so everything's got to be done by hand. Just saying. We're gonna fill up the airbags. This is the left side. We're gonna go up to like 130. And I need 2 hands. So that's all you're gonna get. I take it up above a little bit. So when I take that off, we're all good to go. Hello, Yukon Cornelius here, giving you an update. Bart the cart is on Winston the wagon, who's hooked to Derek the Dodge, who has the Hillbilly Hilton on her. That's what we got going on. Stay tuned. This is Cornelius.